Hi everyone. Today in this class we will learn about tender vote. A tender vote is when your vote is cast by someone other than you. It is considered as a stolen vote. So the time your vote can be retried by tender vote. The tender vote was held in 1961. You can get your vote right to vote under section 49p, and for this, first you need to contact presiding officer at the polling station after filling something class B. For that something class B form, giving them the original identity card. The form you obtained went to the chief election commissioner of the state. Then they will scrutinize the identity card submitted by you. Then they will conclusion that the vote is yours. Then your vote is back.